Hey, beautiful. I've come to you today with a little public service announcement, and that is this. Whatever it is that you're facing in your life right now, choose to deal with it directly. I see so much of this. My work in general, hypnotherapy, rapid transformational therapy is all about stuff that we didn't deal with in the past, and it comes up in so many ways. I'm sure that your mind and your wheels are starting to turn here, and you totally know what I'm talking about, right? Sometimes we have reminders of things that are happening, and we choose not to deal with it until it gets really, really painful. So I'm here today just to remind you, you can deal with it. And dealing with it, ironically, is the most effective way at getting over it. Not getting around it, not getting under it, not bypassing it, but dealing with it directly. And you can do this in a variety of different ways, but the most important way is to just start. Just commit to yourself. So right now, I invite you to choose to face one thing that's going on in your life right now that you know you need to deal with, and just start to ask your mind the right questions. What's the most effective and loving way that you can choose to face this or transform this part of your life right now? Until your next steps, I'm sending you so much love and tons of fist bumps. Have an amazing day.